IdentityLens, created by Major Key Technologies, is a powerful platform designed to visualize your entire identity ecosystem. By seamlessly connecting to any API-enabled source, you can correlate data to create dynamic, fully customizable dashboards that deliver performance trends and actionable insights at a glance. Every widget is backed up by an individual report. In each report, you can search for specific values within a single column. Use the global search to quickly locate data across the entire report and easily rearrange and resize columns. The Report Builder is a powerful feature that enables precise data querying. It allows you to generate columns from your selected dataset and customize key elements such as data type, display name, and column relationships. This flexibility empowers users to create tailored reports for specific analytical needs. Additionally, you can schedule automated email delivery of reports to stakeholders, ensuring timely access to critical insights. If you would like to learn more or schedule a live demo of IdentityLens, scan the QR code or visit us at majorkeytech.com. You can also reach us directly at hello@majorkeytech.com.